Hello, everyone. This is Mahnoor Imran from Synergy Technical, your go-to Microsoft partner. Today, we're going to be talking about a really powerful agent that Microsoft has built for us to use. So if you have an M365 Copilot license, you want to make sure that you leverage these agents. The first one that we're going to talk about is the Analyst agent, and it is designed for situations for if you have raw data that you want to use and you want to analyze that. It's a job that typically an analyst would do, but Copilot Analyst is powerful enough that it'll do a lot of those things for you and give you great insights. So if you have a raw data set that you want to get insights from, you want to do that, you can go ahead and use the analyst agent, and we're going to show you how to do that in this demo. All right, now that you can see my screen, we're going to go to Copilot Chat, and what we're going to do here is we're going to see the Copilot Analyst agent to the left-hand side, and we're going to click on that. If you don't see it, it might be because an admin hasn't pinned it for you, so you might want to go ask if they can. All right, from there, we'll see the suggested prompts at the bottom. We'll also have dictation if that's something that you prefer, and you can also upload your files and work content from here. All right, analyst agents also take a little bit of time to think and respond. So I already have my prompt here, and I've said analyze the provided data set on AI adoption, investment use cases, and organizational readiness across different industries and regions. Identify the leaders, and give me a clear executive-friendly language summary, and conclude with 3 to 5 actionable recommendations for scaling AI over the course of next 12 months. And I want to show you guys what my file looks like here. It's just an Excel sheet with a bunch of data on, some adoption barriers within AI and how many people are doing it, what the revenue impact is, and the cost reduction. So I've just attached that file here. After that, as you can see, it reasons through everything. It takes a couple minutes to do this, and then it gives you the concise, executive-friendly summary that we asked for. So as you can see, it says the AI adoption snapshot, so the leaders of these countries, and then it gives you a chart that you can use, and it gives you the AI adoption rate by country. So as you can see, these are the countries that are applying it faster, and then it also gives you the rate by industry. So it uses that Excel sheet and inputs those into charts really fast. And then it also gives you AI adoption stage distribution by industry. So who's in the early, who's in the pilot phase, who's scaled, and who's early and a little bit scaled. And then it also gives you key drivers and top barriers. So the key drivers are business impact, the budget commitment, and organizational readiness. And then some of the top barriers are the cost, the compliance, skill gap, legacy systems, all that sort of stuff. At the end, it'll also give you use cases and measurable impact. And also, if we go down, it'll give you, like we asked, the 5 actionable recommendations for the next 12 months, which are right here. Now, again, if you want to add anything to it, you can go ahead and just ask in simple language. It'll go ahead and do that for you, and then ask if you would like a PowerPoint deck or a PDF. You also want to always look at sources to make sure that it's pulling the correct information. You can also directly edit this in Pages, and from there, if you want to edit anything, you can, and you also have the ability to share this if you want to collaborate. But say you don't like a certain sentence, you can just take that off, or you can ask Copilot questions about it. You can bold it, you can change the formatting, or you can just delete it. You can also change the the placing of everything. If you want to make something go above or lower than what it was, you can do that. And then at the end, I also asked if you can give me 5 more recommendations for the next 12 months, and it went ahead and gave me 5 more. So, pilot generative AI responsibly, strengthen vendor and ecosystem partnerships, and then create an internal AI innovation fund. So all these recommendations, and it asked me if it wants me to if I wanted to combine all the 10 recommendations into a summary. Also gives me follow-up prompts that I can use to ask more questions. That is it for the demo. So as you can see, it pulls great insights from the data set that you upload, and it can reason over all the numbers. It can even get sources from the web and give you more details. It can show you relationship, different trends and the distributions, and really help you understand what your data means. So in short, the analyst agent turns raw data into really good actionable insights and give you valuable information and recommendations that you can then share with your team internally to see how you can do good and what you can do better. Thank you for watching.